फ्लोरीन जो है that exhibits only -1 oxidation state, whereas other halogens जो हैं they exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states. तो उसको explain करना है, बोलो। क्योंकि फ्लोरीन जो है that is most electronegative element. As it is the most electronegative element, it cannot exhibit any positive oxidation state, because when two elements are joined together, the element which is lower in electronegativity, which is less electronegative, gets positive charge, and the one which has more electronegativity, that will have negative charge, negative oxidation state. So fluorine being the most electronegative among all the elements, that's why it cannot exhibit any positive oxidation state. But other halogens, you know, they are less electronegative, and at the same time it is NS2 NP5. So one electron, if it is paired, then it shows +1 oxidation state or -1. If one more, then +3, one more, then +5, one more, then +7. In this way, other elements, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they can exhibit +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. For example, ClF3, BrF5, IF7. So they are +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state. But fluorine is always -1 in all the compounds.
Hello everyone. So there is a good news for you all. We are starting Achievers batch for class 12th, in which we are covering whole NCERT in 5 months. So this is a golden opportunity for all of you to join this course, and this course is starting from 28th of October, and at the same time it is at very nominal cost. Though it is a premium batch, but costing is very less, very pocket friendly. Means it is just like you are watching a movie for one day, and here you are studying for whole year. So by using these coupon codes, you can get these constant prices, and we will support you till the end of your exam. And at the same time, you will get exposure to the mock test, tips and tricks. There are separate doubt sessions. So everything is included in this. It is very systematic and organized course. So do join this course. And if you have any query, you can call on the number given. So that's all. Thank you so much to all of you, and hope to see you in the course.